We're going to do the tomato ketchup challenge.
Many of the things we do are stupid, may I just say.
Yeah. Which is where you put tomato ketchup on the spoon and eat it.
I don't,
Casually.
Oh, that looks disgusting. I don't want to tip it, but it smells.
Don't you like tomato ketchup?
I do, but I don't like lots of it. You put more on it than me.
Yeah.
I don't want any more than
Got a spoonful.
spoon.
Right. Spoon. Could you have to eat it all at the same time?
You're gonna be like, I think so. Nah.
Right. You ready?
No.
Oh, I've got a drink. I've
No,
got a drink.
no, I haven't. I'll have your drink.
That's your drink.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's why I didn't touch it. I thought it was yours.
No. I'm quite sure. It'll be fine. Right.
I want to send in a bin and do it. Because if I don't like it, spit it out.
Right. Stay spoon.
Bring the bin over.
Yeah. I have the bin.
Okay.
You got to turn around and do it though, so they can see you.
Oh, we've done a minute and a half.
Right. Trip. You ready?
No, I don't want
Really?
it. I don't want it.
Go. Not bad. I just ate it.
I don't like tomato sauce. Like
You
that.
said you did.
Like that.
Oh, like that. Quite nice. Finished.
I seem to be the one suffering.
That was your right. No, it wasn't. It was.
It wasn't my
So-
idea. Yeah.
Please, yeah.
Blame you for everything. I
Everything.
don't know who you are. I'm that much better than you.
Go find something else to do now.
We know what we're gonna do.
Yes.
Should we just carry on? No, bye.
Bye bye.
I don't want to do it again.